Hello traders worldwide, welcome back. This is MJ Crypto. So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to use the BitUnix app. Amazing platform where you can trade your spot derivatives, futures, perpetuals, and of course you can even do your copy trading, meaning that you can copy whatever master traders or lead traders are doing and automatically to be replicated right there in your account. Now I would show you how to do this. It's pretty simple, very logical. You don't need to stress or do too much. Just follow me, stick around to the end of this video. Now, right here on the app, BitUnix app, download the app. You can use my referral code. It's going to be in the link under the description of this video. And you can as well copy my trades directly on the copy trading platform. The name is MJ. Just type MJ and it's going to pop out. Now, right here, you can see we have popular futures, we have popular sports, we have top gainers, and so on and so forth. All of these assets can be traded on spots and futures. Now, the big question I know you want to ask me is, what is spot trading and what is futures trading? Spot trading basically is you giving an order or buying at spot price, meaning at the current price of the market. All right, and anticipating that the price will go up. But futures is a contract between you and the exchange. And in most cases, the exchange usually gives you a leverage, okay? A leverage to stake higher than what you already have as your margin. I would explain in a whole different video how you can actually trade futures trading now. So if that's going to interest you, smash the like button, click on the notification bell icon, and anticipate that amazing video that will be coming up shortly. Now, on this app, on BitUnix app, all you have to do is come here on trade. If you want to actually trade your spot, just come down here, move your assets first. If you have some money, I think I have about 93 USD here. Move your funds from your assets. Move your funds from your assets, from your futures to your spot. It all depends on where you want to move them from, but you have to do that with this. This is going to show you how to do it. So just click on transfer. The moment you click transfer, you can see how you can move money from any part of your account. If you have money in futures, you can just move. Click on this middle icon here. Click on this middle icon. Click on this middle icon. All right, and then transfer from futures to spot. Now, after you have done that, come to spot. You want to trade. Let's say you want to trade this coin now, Grass USDT. Amazing pair, isn't it? Sharp. Now, if you want to do this, it's very simple. You can buy it on market price. You can also buy it on, what do you call it now? Limit price. Now, I'll talk about the market first. When you talk about market price, it means you want to buy this asset on the current price, the current market price, meaning you don't want to set a limit or an order to be filled. An order is an instruction. So we're buying this at market price. Market price. All you have to do is scroll this icon here, this bar, move this scroll bar. Okay, move this scroll bar, and then you can put your TP and SL. Okay, your estimated loss is your stop loss. SL means stop loss. TP means take profit, meaning the price you want this asset to get to and close in profit. That's your take profit. Now, SL means if price does not go my way, it begins to fall. All I have to do is, all I need to do is that price gets to the SL and the asset closes itself. So this is stop loss. Stop loss triggers a loss on that trade. TP triggers a profit on that trade. All right, so I want to buy with, let's say, 10%. The correct price is this. This is the current price. So my stop loss, I want to say if price gets down to 0.600, stop me on this trade. But if I'm anticipating that price will go up when hot season, obviously, so I'm just going to put 0.90. Okay, you can see here now. You can see my estimated percentage profit is 16.48 and my loss is 22.22. So let me increase this guy now. Let me put him at 1.0. Can you see it has changed to 29.5? Estimated has changed to 29.5. All right, now that is basically how to what enter. So I'll click on buy grass and you see what will happen. Success. I've placed this trade. Now you are going to see here now. See my grass. It's already moving. It's already moving. It's already moving. It's already moving. So basically that is it. So I'll cancel this now. I want to cancel this. I'll cancel this order. I will sell this asset. Let's say I want to sell this asset. I'll just come to sell. Sell my grass. If I want to do it manually. So I've sold all my grass now. I've sold 100% of it. You see it? I've sold all my what? All my grass. So basically, that is how to what? That is how to use what do you call it now? Market price. So let's go to limit. Open order. Okay. I've cancelled everything. All right. So now let's go to limit. Let's pick another pair now. Let's pick another pair. Let's see ETH, Ethereum. Now the current price of Ethereum is 4,629. Right? Can you see it here? 4,629. But I don't want to buy at this price. I want price to drop first. Okay, so I'll come here, edit my order price. I'll put a lower price. I'll say, okay, if price gets to 4.5, this is how much I want to buy. Are you seeing it now? This is how much I want to buy. Sorry. Price gets to 4.5. This is how much I want to buy. I'll put my SL, put my TP, just the same way we did, and I will initiate a buy. And whenever price gets to that level, immediately price will start buying. So I will see you in the next video when I'll make a video on how to trade futures on BitUnix exchange. See you guys in the next video.